make chole bhature, how to Manchurian, pizza, something and all.
Wow.
I learned, but nowadays I'm not feeling to cook anything because I'm privileged. I'm blessed with my mother and my sister-in-law, so they keep engaging in like kitchen work and they serve me, and I'm ready to eat. But now I'm not ready to cook. But that's it.
Very
I'm
funny.
not saying people should not know cooking. They should know cooking, whether they like or not like. Because nowadays, I think it is a very crucial to know how to cook food. No matter whether you know only some like surviving dishes. Suppose if you are going out of India or you are not living with your parents. So in terms of this, you must know how to cook. At least you must know how to cook dal like rajma chawal or Maggi, khichdi and rotis and all this. So I think you should little bit cooking so that you can survive. Hey, good afternoon.
Yes, yes. Very good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I am doing very great because now I'm just basking in the sun and I'm feeling very happy because after long time I am basking in the sun because it has been quite chilly here. So I am just basking in the sun.
Oh, great. But in my place, there is no sign of, sunny. Yeah, you can see sunlight. But I'm shivering now. You can
Okay.
see.
Yeah. So as we are talking for the first time, so we are supposed to introduce first. So I
Yeah,
just want to introduce first.
yeah, sure, sure. Actually, this is Chandan Lahiri, and I live in Bihar state, and I'm working as a teacher in a primary school. And if I discuss about my hobbies, so I love to talk to new people and traveling different places. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, that's a great introduction.
Thank you.
So do you want me to introduce myself?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Nishu, and I'm talking to you from Punjab. In my academic, I'm a graduated in English literature. At present, I'm just staying at my house because I'm just completely free. If I talk about my hobbies, in my free time, I interact with people so that I can learn or I can teach them for only enhancing purpose. Apart from this, I'm also fond of dancing. I love dancing, to be honest. So this is about myself.
Wow, great, wonderful, I'd say.
Thank
And
you so much.
yeah, I have one question. Nowadays, so many learners have been suffering through the spoken, right? Spoken English. So, what is your condition in speaking field? Do you have any problem, or you are totally perfect into this language?
Even I'm also facing so many problems, just like others learner, right? Sometimes I get blank. I'm not able to extend. If someone asks me, you have to just describe something. Maybe I will not able to describe properly. Maybe it could be a lack of knowledge or confidence sometimes. Yeah, but I can say some accent I have improved myself by practicing, by learning every day something. So I was sometimes I struggle to like fumble, like sometimes I speak very faster. Due to that I start fumbling, and I'm
Okay.
just trying to remove this problem. I'm just trying to mitigate whenever I just observe my speaking tone. I feel that yeah, now I am speaking very faster, so I need to decrease. And so I just keep realizing myself because I have realized in my so many videos, sometimes I get fumbled, right, due to speaking very faster. So this is the problem. I think like struggle. And apart from this, as I already mentioned, that yeah, I get blank sometimes. So yeah, I'm trying to overcome these two problems.
Okay, okay. Yeah, no issue. I think if you speak fast, it doesn't matter. Okay, but what you speak, it really matters. Okay.
Yeah,
If you're
that
being
is
able
true.
to consider, if you are being able to precise your, I mean, highlight your opinion about any matter, so that will be much convenient for every learners for having the meaning of you, right?
That is true, sir. So, since how long have you been teaching in a primary sector?
Okay. It's been 2 years I have done into this field.
Okay, and when did you start your English journey, sir?
Yeah, 2 years before. The both of
Okay.
things I started equally.
Are you teaching in a government or a private sector?
Private.
Private sector. So, do you like teach English or in Hindi to English or just only Hindi in your
Only,
school?
only Hindi. Only Hindi.
Okay, 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 okay. That's great. So, being a teacher, like what kind of problems you come across with your children when they ask some questions when they do not obey you? So, what kind of problems do you face, and how you tackle those problems?
Yeah, I have been suffered a lot of issues in order to teach the mischievous student. Many of students are not eligible for understanding what I'm saying them. So it was quite, bothering me. How can I convince all the students, right? So it was very tough task for every teachers to convince the student. Okay, explaining what is the matter of any sentences or any kinds of questions. So these are things are very tough for every teachers. Apart from this, I have to teach the manner. Manner is much requirement part, as a student's life to behave with the parent and with any person in a right way. So manner teaching manner it's very tough. So these are things I have been suffering through a lot.
That's good. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Teaching is not only important, but inculcating manners, etiquette in the mind of children also important, right? So
Yeah,
yeah, teachers are the a great person who shape us. Even I'm also passionate to teach students. Even I had been a teacher as well. Anyway, so I just want to know one thing. Just when you started your journey in English language. So, did you know little bit English, or you just took some classes from institute?
no. When I started, I knew nothing about this language, and I couldn't take any classes as well. What I learned through myself.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So, apart from teaching in school, are you also teaching in your vicinity? Are you providing classes to the students?
Yeah, yeah, sure, yeah, you're right. I'm providing class as well.
Okay, that's great.
So I have one question. Do you like cooking?
Sure, sure.
Okay, because I have asked multiple, uh, teachers, and many of them, neglected like I do not like to cooking, but this is my privilege. I have to follow, whether I want or not doesn't matter. So that's why I'm asking you.
Okay, which couldn't get. Could you come again, please? I couldn't understand. What did you say?
Okay, okay, okay. Actually, I asked this question multiple person. Okay, multiple
Hmm.
teachers, female teachers, and many of them neglected. Like I do not like cooking, but
Cooking.
even though, yeah, yeah, but even though I have to do because this is my privilege.
Okay. Okay, okay. If you are asking from me, I'm not saying that I don't like cooking. I
Okay,
like just 50%. Why?
okay,
Because since my fifth standard, I started cooking. To be honest, I started cooking from fifth standard, and nowadays I'm cooking. I'm not saying I don't like cooking, but I cooking only when my mother, my sister-in-law are not at home. It is just my necessity in their absence. Otherwise, I do not like cooking. because I'm ready to eat, but I'm not ready to cook nowadays.
Oh
I
my
just
God.
become so lethargic in terms of cooking. Earlier, I had a passion to learn something different. I tried so many like recipe when I was completely free. I was completely free and I had nothing to do. So then I immersed myself in cooking. I tried how to
Yeah, you're right. Cooking, it's a very important part of being life. They must follow. Right. So
obviously it
how
is.
do you utilize your leisure time? I would like to know.
Okay. Frankly speaking, nowadays I'm totally immersed in learning. I'm just interacting with the different people so that I can improve my English. Recently, I have started my YouTube channel and where I upload videos. And you don't believe, being a new YouTuber, all the time I just keep opening my YT Studio to check how many likes, how many subscribers I got. And every time I grab my phone after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, the first thing I do, just check my YT Studio. I don't know
Wow.
why, it is just a curiosity to check like whether what's your performance, how you are doing. Are people liking your videos or not? So nowadays my whole times fly in just interacting with people, uploading video and just seeing my own videos. Nothing else I'm doing except all these things.
Yeah, I can say you are a quite interested and quite enthusiastic person towards your these other stuff. What you value them a lot in your life nowadays, right?
And that's
Great.
just that.
Yeah, I have watched a lot of content of you over YouTube. Yeah, and I can say you are a quite positive person. You always try to hang out with your friend, spending time. I what?
Hmm. Yeah, that is
That was
true.
nice.
Nowadays, I am very jubilant because some of my neighbors, they newly shifted next to door, so they are quite amiable. And whenever I get free
Okay.
time, I just jump into their house and try to interact with them. And they are really very loving person. They never say no, Nishu, I don't want to. You come my house. Whenever I shoot video with them, they are ready. They say, they even encourage me, Nishu, you should make videos. We will help you. And I'm lucky to have such kind of neighbors. Earlier, no neighbors I didn't get like this. They were not living over there, and because the house was completely empty. And but now they are living next to my door, and most of the time I stay their house and we just have a chit chat. So my days are really very happy. Like my days are very well. I'm saying I'm enjoying spending time with those people who are encouraging me. They always say me, Nishu, you should not do this. If you are new YouTuber, so you should not like do this kind of mistake. Yeah, you should not make this kind of mistake while uploading this video. They recommend me because they also are YouTuber. They also run
Wow.
Facebook, Insta, and YouTube, so they know how to upload videos. My sister-in-law, they tells me like, Nishu, if you upload the video like this, your videos will be get a good subscriber, good likes. Okay, so I think they are quite like nice person, and I love their company. So nowadays, I'm saying I'm enjoying my life.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And all of them, treating you as a small kids, right?
That's yeah.
Nice. Yeah, of course. Some of time it's a requirement to be a part of these kinds of persons to be learn and having the knowledge about these particular areas, right?
Yes,
Great.
sir. So
Okay, Nisu.
yeah, please, sir, carry on. You were
Yeah.
about to
So
say
do you have?
something.
Yeah, yeah. Do you have any question for asking me? So you can ask me.
Yes, I have a question. So when did you start your YouTube journey?
It's been I think 3 year, even 4 year before I started.
4 months before.
No year, 4 year.
4 4 years. Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
okay.
But before I
So
left out,
okay,
before I
did you
left,
also have a curiosity to check your YT studio and watch your own videos?
Some of time, but not every time because I engaged myself in school, so that's why.
That's why, because you're working professionally, that's why you don't have enough time to browse
Yeah,
your own YouTube channel. But I'm totally idle now. So an idle mind is like a devil. So whenever you feel, you can just check your YT studio, YouTube studio. So I have this kind of tendency, but I try to no, do not watch my someone like on videos, because it is just a waste of time. No.